There's 110,000 structures in the city, big and small, and 80% do not have a building permit. By 2043, that will be irreversible urban decay. It's downhill from there. So that's the reason why we said 2043 Baguio will not encounter irreversible urban decay, but it has fixed. Because we are the planners, the designers of the physical manifestation of development. Many parts of Baguio that just has a pathway of 1 meter. A fire truck cannot enter. We developed a digital twin. So it's a 3-dimensional map of everything in Baguio, all 128 barangays. But this came from MGB, and they said that the faults are just 3, and they're mostly located at Pinsao Barangay. Diba? Anong sabi niya sa Baguio? Red lahat. High risk lahat sa Baguio. The big faults are outside the city, like Dig Fault. No? You have heard of that? During the 1990 earthquake, if you were born already, for either high risk ka yung red, or very high risk ka yung maroon. You have a structural design. Your engineer says that that's the appropriate design where you are located. That's good. You never know what kind of earthquake will happen. Can be horizontal movement, vertical movement. We can even map it per barangay now. So alam na namin kung may tatayo dyan na wala building permit. Okay? So alam na kung may drone na nag-fly dyan. Because you can now build in any way you can, but merong issue rin sa density. Obviously, it will destroy the skyline. So we disapproved it. Kasi ang view is towards City Hall. Yung kanyang stairway, naka-sleep. Palitan mo na lang ng glass para nasisilip mo pa rin yung City Hall. Okay? That's the power of advice. Okay? Hindi ka naman makaka-apply ng building permit kung hindi titulado. Dapat mo na ang micro-zonation niya is 0.3. Ibig sabihin, hindi pwede yung 3 stories. Paano kung yung kliyente mo, yun na ang budget niya, 3 stories. Wala namang problema. Basta merong structural design. Green buildings na tayo sa Baguio. Kahit residential building, hindi na i-accept ng city ang biodegradable. May saan nilalagay? Meron pang 3 firewall. Ano na lang yan? Right? 2 tama na. Mag-set back ka na lang para may light and ventilation din naman yung may-ari, di ba? Air conditioning in Baguio. Please, don't. Because that uses what? Electricity, it's got carbon emissions. It's not sustainable. Bantogan, Santo Tomas, low risk yan. Yellow is moderate. So alam namin kung ilan ang nasa very low, nasa low and moderate. Nabibilang namin. Big brother na kami. You need to put mitigating measures on your building. There is an example, it's even a school. So when they learned that it's a sinkhole, they contacted a structural engineer to provide solutions. So yung building niya, yung sinkhole na dito, magpapile sila. Piling until they reach bedrock. The entire barangay is inside, is on top of a sinkhole. And we did analytics, and if we move to the next slide, that's the flood hazard map of Baguio. Dalawa lang ang choices, either moderate risk or high risk. We will declare all waterways as a waterway zone. Zone na siya, para na walang dapat na magtayo ng bahay doon. You know Aguinaldo Park sa Ludmitra? So, you can see the topography is like a bowl again. No? So, kung pinolute nila yan, hindi Balili becomes more polluted. Na drainage from the road, it can go to a rain garden. Western side, PMA nasa baba. And yung green, alam niyo kung ano yung green? John Hay. But we will control density now. Ang fire hose ng Bureau of Fire hanggang 150 meters lang. Building sa city, around the Central Business District and towards the north, where you have Pinsao, Aurora Hill, San Antonio. Yan yung mga highest density. Of course, this is proof na walang zoning sa Baguio. Mahal, dapat ang routing. Why? Because they were laughing at it. It's a rich city. Rich in informal sectors. Ring road ng Baguio. Iwawiden lahat yan. para hindi tayo ikot kung di naman tayo pupunta sa loob. And pag umakyat ng Baguio, magsa-stop siya sa outer ring. Kukuha na siya ng taxi or PUJ or merong sundo bago makarating ng inner ring. Sa inner ring, may parking, may jeepney exchange para bababa, mag-change na naman ng mood, pwede nang maglakad, mag-bike, at pinag-usapan na ngayon yung monorail. Bakit ka magbabayad? Para hindi ka na pumasok doon dahil nga galit ka sa 250. Kailan darating yung jeep kung nasaan ako? Siguro 6:45, meron ng jeep going to Aurora Hill. Isa sa Irisan, yan yung northbound hub, papuntang Ilocos. Isa sa Dantogan, yan yung southbound hub. Kaya each of these circles will be a bus terminal. Malaki kaya yan, 258 hectares. Ano hahanap niyan? So let's respect the setback because nakakompute yan as part of the open space and lower dimension. So ito na siya. Proposed land use. Next. Future is high density. So walang pinagbago actually. So by 2043, when you come to Baguio, you can breathe the Baguio. Breathe the fresh air.